Hello guys, my name is Rishabh Kumar Roy. Today in this video we talk about what is the FEMA, why the FEMA Act is necessary for Indian economic, and second the history behind it. The first we understand what is the meaning of FEMA. FEMA is basically known as Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, which basically manage, not regulate, which basically manage the foreign exchange transaction in India. There are four main things which requires the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 is important for Indian economic as well as development of Indian economic growth. The first, free trade across the global. Second, globalization of capital. Third, to maintain the competition in the market. Fourth, to tackle the changes economic scenario. Let's we talk about first thing, the importance of free trade across the globe. As we know that the India is the emerging market, the Indian market is very emerging as compared to many countries, as compared to so many developed countries. The market of the India is very lucrative, so we cannot ignore the importance of trade. Second, the globalization of capital. The globalization of capital basically means to attract the foreign investment in India. So the FEMA is provide such a ground, such a legal base that attract the foreign investment in India. Third, we talk about also competition. Why the how the FEMA Act may helps in the competition in the market. Let's understand with a small example. Suppose a company needed the investment, they cannot able to raise a fund from Indian market due to any reason, and they the but the foreign institutional investment invested the money in such a company. That means such a company, and they company perform their business activity very well as compared to their rival, and they provide the product and services as much competitive price as much competitive price as compared to their competitor, without compromising the quality of such product or services. Fourth, changes in the economic scenario. As we know that the technology is rapidly changing, and due to the change in technology, our economic condition is also changing. So it is important to develop our law in accordance with the changing scenario. Second, we talk about the history of FEMA, basically Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Before the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 came into existence, there are two laws. The first law is come at the time in the era of Britishers. Such time this act is called the Foreign Exchange Control Act 1939, basically which control the foreign exchange transaction in India at the era of Britishers. Second, after the independence, the government came with the act which named Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1949, which is basically regulate the foreign exchange transaction, not manage. But as the time passes, we understand the need for globalization, and our Foreign Exchange Act developed in a such a manner which actually manage the foreign exchange transaction, not regulate or control. So I rest of my voice. Thank you for watching my video.